Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Returning to the studio today, Mr. Mike Stringfellow. Michael, what's happened in your world since we talked last in February during a podcast? What's happening?
Hey, Bob. How are you? Has it been that long, really, since February? What's happening? So our business is growing and expanding. Actually, this weekend we just doubled our warehouse space. So we had a single warehouse, and then we just added. So we were separated in our complex, and now we're 3 units all together. So one showroom / office, and then the next 2 units are our warehouse space. So got that done this weekend. Just rocking and rolling. Got installs. We're scheduling into February now.
Wow.
So
You're a couple months out.
yes. Yep.
Question for you. You said you had showroom space. You showed it to me last time. How many people come in and talk to you guys in person versus over the phone and remotely?
Not as many as I would like. I mean, we got a beautiful showroom and everything.
I seen the pictures of it.
Yeah,
Very nice.
So the interesting thing is the clientele that we have is, I assume there would probably be more millennial age and up, and really honestly, it's 60 to 85. That's our market. So the people in that
age 65 to 80?
Yeah, 60 to 85.
Now, why is that? Why do you think? You've been in business for a long time.
Well,
Your other businesses.
I stopped asking them, hey, when was the last time you lost power? Do you lose power much? Because the answers are usually no. But
Peace of mind, though?
yeah, peace of mind, and that generation is looking at wanting to stay in their homes as long as possible for the rest of their lives, if possible. And you know what the number one thing that they tell me is their biggest concern, which I didn't really see from that age group without them telling me, is climate change. So they're worried about the climate change affecting everything else downstream, including their ability to have power at their home, right? So whether it's the grid's overused or the infrastructure is breaking down or whatever, but they're all concerned about making sure that they have power through this climate change, that we're going through right now. So
that's interesting. So folks that are 35 to 65, you do get some calls.
Oh yeah, we get some, but it's just not as big of our market as the 60 to 85 year olds.
And I guess the 65 and 80 can afford it if they want to.
True. Yep.
Right.
Because what makes somebody that's been in a home for 30 years all of a sudden go, you know what? We need a generator now.
See, I would have thought it would have been the folks that just moved into a brand new home.
Yep, that's what I would have thought too, but that's not.
So a lot of homes that you're putting generators, people have been there for a while.
Yes, sir. Yep, a lot of older homes.
Interesting, isn't it? Interesting. So did they come in and spend time in the showroom?
So as I was going to say, that generation of people do like to come in and be able to, they're not the ones buying cars online, right? They're still going into the dealerships and looking at the models and seeing that.
That's why they brought up.
Yeah, exactly. And so that's the same thing with the generator. They come in, they can see a generator, they can touch it, ask questions about it, sit down, feel comfortable, know that we're a real company, and kind of see what we're all about. So I think they like that.
So, Mike, what do you see happening this winter with the weather predicting that we're going to get some measurable snow finally after 2 years?
Yeah, that definitely could be a game changer for us. I mean, it just takes one big storm event with wind and ice, and you're talking about massive outages, and then everybody starts calling. So I'd always suggest people,
call now.
Call now, exactly. We get people that called us during the summer, and now we tell them we're 8 to 12 weeks out. And it's like you almost feel like you want to say, well, if you'd have called us if you had signed up in the summer, we'd have you in by now.
So they need to be calling now.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay.
Anybody listen, if you need a generator, call us now. Get on the list. Let's get you an installation date as soon as we can.
Michael, appreciate you coming in today and spending some time with us.
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me. Always welcome.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week with another episode.